Okay, time for the next major scale, G major. I hope you remember the major scale structure that you learned in the previous lecture of C major. If not, here it is once again. 1, 1, a half, 1, 1, 1, a half. Or whole tone, half tone, whole tone, half tone. Let's apply this structure now beginning on the note G. So, we start on G, which is the root. Going up a whole tone takes us to A. Another whole tone takes us to B. Then a half tone to C. Again a whole tone to D. A whole tone to E. A whole tone to F sharp. And a half tone to G. So, the G major scale is G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Now you can notice two special things. First of all, the G major scale contains a black note, or rather a sharp. The F sharp. Remember that the C major scale had no black notes, no sharps at all. Now the second thing you can notice is that I call this note the F sharp. I didn't say G flat. Why not? Well, imagine I would have said G flat instead of F sharp. The scale would then be as follows: G, A, B, C, D, E, G flat, G. Perhaps you noticed that when going from E to G flat, there's a sort of a gap. We went from the letter E directly to the letter G. Now, I didn't say G, I said G flat, but G flat still contains the letter G. So we skipped the letter F. Also, we used the letter G twice, in G flat and in G. Now, all this is of course not very logic. It's more logic to use the letter in alphabetical order without using the same letter twice and without leaving gaps. Now, that's why we don't use the G flat. We use F sharp in the scale of G major, even if F sharp and G flat are one and the same note.